Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can add users and manage users on MyT accounting software. To add another user to your system, you need to go to Settings section and there is Manage Users. Here I need to provide information about new user and select type or give a particular permissions to this user. So if this user will be an admin, it will have a full access, the same as I would have currently as a business owner on MyT accounting software. But if you will give a secondary user access, this person will have no open banking and no access to settings and manage users. So decide which permissions you want to give to this user. So in my case, I will add Rita, you, for example. Okay, I need to provide phone number. Okay, and provide a password. And click Save User. Okay, so user have been added below. I can edit it, so details are provided at the top. I can edit details and save amended details, or I can delete if I do not need this user anymore. So in this episode, I showed you how you can invite a new user to your MyT accounting software and give a particular permissions, as well as edit and delete if you do not want to give any more permission to your MyT accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.